Hello and welcome. If you're new to this channel, like, share and subscribe for updates on our new videos. This video is about Monstera plant and how to make artificial Monstera leaves. The Monstera plant is a member of the arum family native to the tropical forest of southern Mexico and has been introduced to many tropical areas. It is also being grown as a houseplant in many temperate regions because it tolerates poor light and low humidity. The most popular species is known as Monstera deliciosa, which is commonly referred to as the Swiss cheese plant. The matured Monstera plant has very large leaves with elliptic holes and broken edges. Each leaf can grow up to 1 meter in length. Since big leaves can be broken by intense winds, the holes in the leaves allow the passage of air and help the plant to survive the heavy rainfall and intense wind in the rainforest. The Monstera leaf is therefore symbolic of survival and longevity. Join me as I show you how to make an art of these historic and symbolic leaves at home using plastic bags. Sort the plastic bags that you want to use for the DIY. Arrange them according to how you want the color to be. Trim off the base and the handle part. Carefully arrange the plastic bags that you've cut into squares. After you might have done this, lay a white paper on the table for ironing. Using iron-on transfer paper is great for this purpose. However, you can use any type of paper, but I won't advise you to use a paper that has prints on it, as it will transfer the prints onto what you're making. And now it's time to cut out the leaves. Cut in accordance to your preferred sizes. You will notice that this is revealing different kinds of shades. This is because I combine different colors of plastic bags together. You can as well use plastic bags of a single color, but that won't give you the kind of look that the combined colors will give you. At this point, you can choose to draw out the leaf pattern on this material, but you can as well decide to cut it out directly without drawing. I'll show you how to achieve both methods in this video. You can decide on how broken you want the leaf to be and also whether it would have holes or not. Cut out the lines that you've drawn. This other one is smaller, and for this one I'll not be drawing out, I'll just be cutting straight away. You can see that all the plastic bags formed one single sheet after ironing. These are the artificial Monstera leaves that I made from plastic bags. I made them in different sizes, patterns, different colors and shades. Some are with holes and some are without holes. You can use the wax from hot glue gun to make the midrib and the leaf veins. Also, you can decide to leave it just like that. Artificial Monstera leaves can be used for displaying of items for sales. It can be used for decorations, for photo shoots and so on. And now we've come to the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get updates on our new videos. Thank you.